over 340 aftershocks reported in the 2 weeks after Idaho's 6.5 earthquake. USGS reports that Idaho has had about 340 aftershocks following the 6.5 earthquake that occurred near Shalee, Idaho on March 31st. Idaho has had 341 confirmed aftershock earthquakes following the initial 6.5 magnitude earthquake that occurred on March 31st. In the last week, there has been a total of 77 aftershocks, according to USGS. All of the aftershocks have most frequently occurred around Shalee, Cascade, and Idaho City, according to USGS. The aftershock magnitudes range from 2.5 to 4.8, with the majority being in the 2.0 to 3.5 range. None of the confirmed aftershocks have been bigger or equal to the initial earthquake, which officials predicted would be the case. The most recent aftershock occurred Wednesday morning at around 7:30 near Cascade and was confirmed to be of 3.6 magnitude. The initial quake, which struck just before 5 p.m. Mountain Time on March 31st, was centered about 45 miles west of Shalee, in the mountains of central Idaho. It was felt across Idaho and in 6 surrounding states.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.